What's going on YouTube? It's Brian from the Speed Demon Pro channel. So this video is going to be about the introduction to the new car of the channel. If you're following my Instagram, you already know what that car is, and you've already seen some snapshots about it and what's underneath the hood. But if you aren't a part of my Instagram and you don't follow that, by the way, is Speed Demon Pro. So it's speed_demon_pro. And well, I think it's just time to show you. Check it out. Alright. Isn't she beautiful? Yeah. 1991 Skyline GTR. Project Mu color. We got the D-Max hood. Got a little dirty on this side from this gravel area. It'll buff out. Too bad I just washed it about 2 days ago. It'll buff out. We got the 18-inch Yankees. Cosians. Lug nuts also Project Mu Super 7s. It's got Veil side exhaust, 3.5 inch. Which is a beaut, huh? Sort of, this camera's weird. First time using this gimbal. It's pretty nice though. Even got my GTR hoodie on. Some might say it's a fanboy item. I just think it's plain cool. Let's hear that start up. Don't worry, don't mind the mess in here. Got a bunch of car parts and stuff. Get closer, huh? I absolutely love this car. Let's get inside so I can show you, or so you can hear, how quiet it actually is on the inside. See, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Let's listen. Open the door now and listen to that. angry. Oh yeah. Of course, it has, you know, the notorious Skyline bubbling around the center vents, and it has the dash bubble. Definitely will be getting that fixed, or just throw a cover on, you know, the simple, easy fix. My favorite part. I love these lights. Love them. Love that look. So aggressive. I think we should check what's underneath the hood, huh? This gimbal's getting all squirrely on me. Let's try your hands. Woo! Yep, that's also Project Mu color. Oil filter relocation. You ready? Of course, running the AMS oil filter. Got the Blitz double intakes. All the truss ready. Hard piping everywhere. Can't forget your Nismo. Oil cooler. He's ready. Yep, lights are on. So now we can look. I installed a manual boost controller, Turbo Smart. It actually holds 1 bar. Solid. This is the best manual boost controller I've ever had. In case you're wondering, you got to tee it in to your wastegates, so that way you can control both of them. Only have it turned up to 1 bar because I'm running the N1 turbos, but it's not suggested to go past like 14.2 psi, so I just keep it at 1 bar. Look at that. All Project Mu. Gotta love it. I absolutely love this car. This car is, it doesn't drive like anything else. Like I've owned, you know, I've had Evos, I've owned a Supra, I've driven an RX-7. I don't know, just by far, I don't know, I love the Skyline more. It just feels more planted to the ground. It just, on the road and everywhere, just, it takes corners like a boss. I mean, the 4-wheel drive system, a TISA system, that definitely helps. Alright, so, if you like this video and the car, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll also drop in my Instagram name down in the description so you can follow me. Post some pretty nice pictures. You gotta check it out, right? And if you're new to the channel and you like what you see and you want to see more of this car, which definitely will be, because I actually have some parts coming and that I will be installing. I actually have some right now, but I'm not going to show you yet. That's for another video. You're going to love it. Some really great mods for this car. See about maybe getting it up to 400 horsepower, which would be enough for the streets of Japan. Trust me, can't really go that fast here. But anyway, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, and I would like for you to subscribe and have a good evening, good morning, good night. As you can see, it's evening here. It's a beautiful day in Japan. Alright, Brian from Speed Demon Pro signing out. Have a good day.